morning to all. Welcome to today's session. And today we are going to start our lessons. And I hope you are all having the textbooks. If you are having the textbooks, please open your English textbook and get ready for the classes. So take semester 1. So we have semester 1 and semester 2, and let us start our semester 1 first. And open, all of you keep open page number 5. And in this academic year, in semester 1, we are going to discuss about 8 lessons. What are the lessons we are going to discuss in this academic year? Let us see once again. Let's go. The little folks presents. First lesson is the little folks presents. Second one, the white elephant. The third lesson is a strange land. Fourth one is an interview with Einstein. Fifth one, a song about myself. Sixth lesson is the honest penny. Seventh, history's heroes. The last lesson is about your children. So these are the lessons we are going to discuss in semester 1. So today we are going to start our first lessons. Children, if anyone of you is not having textbooks, please go to school and collect your textbooks, because textbooks are very necessary when you having lessons. Because without having textbooks, we can't understand what the stories are or what the lessons we are having. So all of you open page number 6. So you can see in first page the lesson name, the little folks presents. What is the meaning of folks? Okay, flock. Sorry, what is the meaning of flock? Okay, flock means nothing but it is the little flocks. Nothing but is flocks means people, a crowded. Okay, flock means people or human beings. Okay. So what they are presenting, okay, the little flocks, what they are presenting, that is our lesson. Let us see about our lesson. Before starting our lesson, they have given one exercise for you. Let us see. Match of fairy tales with these popular symbols. So, you can see the pictures in page number 6, and they have given 5 pictures and 5 words, and choose the correct one and line them. Okay, children? So I am not going to ask, I am not telling any answer. You just do it. Okay? And draw the line. Which word is to which picture? First one, Cinderella. Okay? In the picture, what is Cinderella? Just line it. Next, Hansel and Gretel. What is that? Just each word, you can see the picture. Just line it with a pencil. Okay, children? Yeah. Let's see about the writers of this story. Brothers Grimm and John and Wilhelm Grimm were German authors who wrote some of the best fairy tales and folk tales. Cinderella, Snow White, Hansel and Gretel, the Frog Friends. Okay, these are the books. These are the stories that they have written. Okay, they are still at the loved by children even today. Most of their tales reflect the German culture. Many of these tales are presented in coloring books, okay, puppet shows, and animated cartoons series. So these are the Germans. What are the brothers of Grimm, Jacob and Wilhelm Grimm. So these are the brothers from German, and they have written many folk stories, and folk tales and fairy tales. The stories what they have written that we are having the colors from the books, and also the stories that they have written, they have taken as a cartoons. For example, we are watching cartoons in Kushi, Nike. We see like some cartoons like Shiva and Motu Patlu and something. Okay, I don't know. Okay, you may be so familiar to all these cartoons. So some of the cartoons are taken from this German poets, from their stories what they have written. And today we are going to have one of the fairy tale from these brothers of Grimm, Jacob and Wilhelm Grimm. So let us see. It may be a fairy tale, but it has a lesson for us at the end. Let us see what it is. So it is one of the fairy tale, but at the end of this lesson we are going to have one lesson to us. What is that? Let us see. One evening, okay, so all of you open page number 7. So let us start our lesson. One evening, in the sun had sunk behind the mountains. Okay, sunk means kindaki, like munuguta, down, coming down. Okay. The tailor and the goldsmith were traveling together. So one day evening, what happened? Okay, in the evening, the sun always will be sun during the sunset. Okay, when the sun was coming down, okay, hiding in the behind the mountains. Okay, the tailor means one who stitches the clothes, and the goldsmith means the person one who makes the gold ornaments. Okay, so they both are traveling. What they are doing? They are both are traveling. ఒకరోజు సాయంత్రం ఏంటి సూర్యుడు అస్తమించేటప్పుడు ఓకే మౌంటైన్ ఓకే ఆ యొక్క పర్వత శిఖరాల్లో ఏమైంది ఒక టైలర్ అన్నమాట ఒక మిషన్ కుట్టే వ్యక్తి మరియు బంగారం తయారు చేసే వ్యక్తి ఇద్దరు ప్రయాణం చేస్తున్నారు అన్నమాట. దే బోత్ ఆర్ ట్రావెలింగ్ టుగెదర్. ఇన్ ద డిస్టెన్స్ దే హర్డ్ మ్యూజిక్ అండ్ gradually it became more distinct. The music sounded strange, but it was so pleasant that they had forgot the weariness and walked on quickly. So what happened? When these both are walking in a distance, they both are walking in a distance. Okay, meaning having gap between. Okay, that's why have maintain social distance. We are saying no, please maintain social distance. In the same way, these two people are having distance among both of them. They are walking. When they are gently walking, they heard a beautiful music, and it was very clear and very gently and very pleasant. ఎప్పుడైతే ఇద్దరు వ్యక్తులు ఓకే దూరం పార్టీలోకి ఇద్దరు చాలా దూరంగా నడుస్తున్నప్పుడు ఓకే సడన్ గా మీకు ఒక అద్భుతమైన ఒక మెలోడియస్ ప్లెజెంట్ ఒక మ్యూజిక్ అనేది వినిపిస్తుంది. చాలా క్లియర్ గా వాళ్ళకి ఒక మ్యూజిక్ వినిపిస్తుంది. అయినా కానీ వారి యొక్క మ్యూజిక్ వినుకుంటూ చాలా తొందరగా నడుస్తున్నారు అన్నమాట. By the time they reached the hill, the moon had already rised. Okay, when they are reached to the hill, okay, hill means parvatam అన్నమాట. Hill means parvatam. When they reached to the hill, the moon has arrived. ఎప్పుడైతే వారి యొక్క పర్వతాల దగ్గర చేరుకున్నారో అప్పటికే సూర్యుడు వచ్చేస్తున్నాడు అన్నమాట. We all like moon, no? Yes. They were surprised to see a crowd of little men and women on the hill. They were holding each other's hand and were whirling around and dancing in a circle with the great pleasure and delight. So what happened? And when these people are reached to the hill, and they have seen some people, very small people, very small little men and women. They are all crowded. Crowd means gather. They are all crowded around the circle, as they formed as a circle, and they are singing and dancing. ఎప్పుడైతే ఇద్దరు వ్యక్తుల యొక్క పట్ల కుట్టే యొక్క వ్యక్తి టైలర్ మరియు గోల్డ్ స్మిత్ ఇద్దరు ఎప్పుడైతే ఆ పర్వతం దగ్గర చేరుకున్నారో ఆ పర్వతం మీద కొంతమంది మగవారిని ఆడవాళ్ళని చూసిరన్నమాట. వాళ్ళు ఏం చేస్తున్నారు అక్కడ గుంపులుగా ఒక రౌండ్ సర్కిల్ ఆకారంలో నుంచి వారు ఒక పాటలు పాడుతూ మ్యూజిక్ పెట్టుకుని డాన్స్ చేస్తున్నారు అన్నమాట. ఓకే, అప్పుడు ఏమైతే వాళ్ళు చాలా హ్యాపీ, చాలా సంతోషంగా ఎంతో చాలా జాయ్ఫుల్ గా డాన్స్ చేసుకున్నారు అన్నమాట. సో వాట్ హ్యాపెన్? The little man and woman were singing most they were singing most charmingly, and that was a music which the travelers had heard. In the midst of the crowd sat an old man who was raised taller than the rest. So what happened? And around the crowd, there are little men and the women are singing. And this is the voice. Okay, what this man, little man, this is a little woman. What they are singing, the singing what they sang, the sound was only heard by these two travelers when they are walking on the desert, on the Mount Hill. So, and also they among all these men and women, there is one word among all these midst. Okay, వాళ్ళందరి మధ్యలో ఒక ముసలి వ్యక్తి ఒక పెద్ద ఆయన ఉన్నాడు అన్నమాట. ఒక పెద్ద ఆయన ఉన్నాడు. అతను ఏమైంది ఇంకా చాలా ఏమైంది అతను సాడ్ ఓల్డ్ మ్యాన్ హూ వాస్ రేదర్ టాలర్ దెన్ ద రెస్ట్. అతను ఏమైంది వీళ్ళందరూ చాలా చిన్నగా ఉన్నారు, చాలా చిన్నగా ఉన్నారు. కానీ వాళ్ళందరికన్నా ఒక ఆయన పెద్ద ఆయన ఒక ముసలి వ్యక్తి చాలా హైట్, వాళ్ళందరికన్నా కొంచెం హైట్ గా ఉన్నారు అన్నమాట. They wore colored coat and grey beard hanged down over his breast. The two travelers stood there in astonishment and watched the dance. The old man made a sign that they should enter. The little folks willingly allowed them into their circle. So what happened? How their appearance? Their appearance are they're wearing okay, colored coat. They're all wearing colored coat, and also they are having a grey beard up to their breast. Okay, up to their chin. It is up to here. Up to there, they are having a beard. Okay, వాళ్ళందరూ వివిధ రకాల వస్త్రాలు ధరించి మరియు వారి యొక్క పురుషుల యొక్క గడ్డలు ఎలా ఉన్నాయి, వారి యొక్క మెడ కింద వరకు వారి యొక్క గడ్డలు ఉన్నాయన్నమాట. ఓకే, వాళ్ళ యొక్క గడ్డలు ఉన్నాయన్నమాట. దెన్ వాట్ హ్యాపెన్ when by looking all these two travelers were astonished. చాలా సర్ప్రైజ్, చాలా ఆశ్చర్యం కలిగింది అన్నమాట. అందరూ గడ్డలు ఒకే రకంగా ఉన్నాయి, వాళ్ళు వివిధ డ్రెస్సులు చాలా ఇట్ ఈస్ లైక్ ఏ ఫెస్టివల్స్ ఆఫ్ కలర్స్, ఒక డిఫరెంట్ చాలా కలర్ఫుల్ ఉంది అనమాట. వాళ్ళు చూడడం చాలా ఇది ఆశ్చర్యం, సర్ప్రైజ్ ఫీల్ అయ్యారు అనమాట. ఓకే, when they are all feeling astonished, okay, the old man signed to the other person to other persons that take them and make them to join in a dance in the circle. So ఏమైంది, ఎప్పుడైతే చూసి ఆశ్చర్యంగా చూస్తున్నారో ఆయన పెద్ద మనుషులు పెద్ద ముసలాయన ఆయన ఇతర వ్యక్తులకి సైన్ చేసి వారిని కూడా మీతో మీ యొక్క సర్కిల్, మీ యొక్క రౌండ్ సర్కిల్ లో జాయిన్ చేసుకుని చెప్పి ఏమైంది, వాళ్ళు కూడా ఇతర వీరిని యొక్క సర్కిల్ లో కలుపుతున్నారు అన్నమాట. Then what happened? The girls who had a loom. What's the meaning of loom? Loom means a round of mass. Means it is like a grass where it is like where in the hill and mountain what happened around they completely will be very scenery will be completely greenery will be there, no? So the oarsmen who had a loom and like all whose backs was brave enough to step into the circle. Okay, so even because he having a maybe he was carrying a bundle of grass, something maybe he was carrying, being that weight he was unable to put it in, he was unable to take part in a circle in the dance. The tailor felt a little afraid and at first and head back. So first even the tailor also when he was joining first time he felt afraid, but later he was felt free. Okay, బగ్గర్దైస్ వ్యక్తి ఏమయ్యాడు, తన జాయిన్ అవడానికి చాలా గిల్టీ ఫీల్ అయ్యాడు. కానీ ఈ మిషన్ కుట్టే వ్యక్తి ఫస్ట్ కొంచెం భయపడిన తర్వాత చాలా ఫ్రీగా పోయాడు అనమాట. బట్ when he saw the frog dancing merrily, he picked courage and followed. The circle closed again and the tailor joined it, and the little flock went on singing and dancing with the latest steps. With the wildest leaps. So what happened? So when you want to join the first time, you felt very frightened. You was frightened. You were quite frightened, very ashamed. But finally, you felt very. You find very merrily because how they are happily singing and dancing. Sometimes if you see if the people are singing and dancing, we too maybe sometimes you may feel afraid, but later when you join, you feel comfort. In the same way, when they singing all, he was also felt very happy and he joined along with them. Old man took a large knife, turned it, and then it was sufficiently sharp. He looked around at the strangers. The goldsmith and the tailor were terrified, but they did not have time to think. So what happened? The goldsmith immediately took a knife and it was very sharp and also it was very sufficient. It was very sharp and it looked around the strangers. What happened? After taking the knife, was looking around the strangers. He was the old man looking around with these two people who to this goldsmith and tailor. And what happened immediately? These two people got frightened, and they are both testified what going to be happen, and they has no time to think at all. So the old man seized the goldsmith, okay, and saved the hair of his head with the greatest. So what happened? He took the old man. He has shaved the hair of this goldsmith on his head. Okay, he has taken the knife. It was very sharp one. As you can see in page number. Okay, you can see in page number 8. You can see that both people see they both are shaved. But whereas in page number 7, you can see they both have the beard. They were having coats. But whereas in page number 8, they both are shaved. There was no hair on their head. So what happened? The old man took a knife and he shaved the hair on the head. Then the old man clapped both of them on the shoulder in a friendly manner to indicate that they had behaved well to let him the shaving without straining him. So both the goldsmith and tailor lost the fear of the old man. So what happened? Even when suddenly if any person take a knife, what happened? He feel afraid. In same way, they too felt very afraid. ఎప్పుడైతే పెద్ద వ్యక్తి కత్తి తీసుకున్నాడో చాలా షార్ప్ గా ఉంది. అయితే ఇద్దరు చూస్తున్నారన్నమాట ఇలా స్ట్రేంజ్ గా చాలా ఏదో ఒక విధంగా చూసరికి ఏమైంది, ఇద్దరు భయపడ్డారు. ఎవరు యొక్క కట్ల కుట్టి వ్యక్తి మరియు యొక్క బంగాళాదేశ్ ఇద్దరు భయపడ్డారు. అయితే ఏం చేసినాడు యొక్క ముసలి వ్యక్తి వాళ్ళకి ఇద్దరిని యొక్క నెత్తి మీద ఎంటుకుంటే వాళ్ళ హెడ్ మొత్తం షేవ్ చేసినమాట. ఓకే, షేవ్ చేసేవాళ్ళు వాళ్ళిద్దరు ఒక గుండె ఆకారంలో ఇద్దరికి గుండె ఏమంటారు నెత్తి మీద ఉన్న జుట్టు మొత్తం షేవ్ చేసిన తర్వాత ఏమయ్యారు వాళ్ళిద్దరు మొత్తం ఇద్దరికి ఏమైంది, అంతకుముందు చాలా గడ్డంతో చాలా అందంగా వాళ్ళిద్దరు ఏమైంది జుట్టు మొత్తం ఆ యొక్క పెద్ద తీసేసినమాట. అప్పుడు ఏమైంది, దగ్గరకు వచ్చి వాళ్ళిద్దరు భుజం మీద తడుతూ మీరు నాకు చాలా కావాల్సిన వాళ్ళు, మీరు మాకు చాలా ఫ్రెండ్లీగా ఉన్నారు అని చెప్పారు అనమాట. చెప్పినప్పుడు ఏమైంది, వాళ్ళప్పుడు ఏమైనా అంతకుముందు భయపడతారు కదా, కత్తిని చూసి అమ్మో మమ్మల్ని ఏమైనా చేస్తారేమో ముసలి వ్యక్తి ఇద్దరు భయపడ్డారు. కానీ ఎప్పుడైతే తన దగ్గర పెద్ద మనిషి దగ్గరకు వచ్చి భుజం మీద తట్టి మీరు మాతో చాలా ఫ్రెండ్లీగా ఉన్నారు అని చెప్పినప్పుడు ఇద్దరు వాళ్ళిద్దరిలో ఉన్న భయం అనేది పోయింది. The old man pointed with his finger to a head of the heap of coal which lay on one side. He is signified to the traveler by his gratitude that they had always gratitude use of movements with their feet body express oneself, that they had should fill their pockets with them. Both of them observed him, though they did not understand how the coal could be of anyone used to them, and went to look for the shelter for the night. So what happened after when they had shaved and the old man came and they appreciated, they felt there was no fear in both of them. And what the old man showed with the finger, he showed a heap of coal అంటే బొగ్గు అన్నమాట. ఓకే, బొగ్గు యొక్క గుట్టను చూపించి he said, okay, you can lay, okay, he said which lay on one side was there, beside there, he said he grazed and traveled by the journey. He should, what he said, you can pick this coal, okay, you can pick this coal and you can go away. And they both obeyed him, and they understand, okay, they understand how the coal could be helpful to them, and they took this coal and they have started walking and they took shelter for the night. When the traveler, okay, బొగ్గుని ఎప్పుడైతే పెద్ద మనిషి బొగ్గు మీరు తీసుకోండి అని చెప్పినప్పుడు ఏమైంది, దానికి ఉపయోగమైన తెలుసు కాబట్టి అది వారి ప్రయాణం ఇది సహాయం చేస్తుంది. బొగ్గు ఏమైంది ఇప్పుడు వారికి చలికాలంలో అడవిలో కానీ పర్వత ప్రాంతం ఎప్పుడు చాలా చల్లగా ఉంది, వాతావరణం ఎప్పుడు నైట్ చాలా చల్లగా ఉంది. వారి యొక్క ప్రయాణం బొగ్గు ఏమైంది వారు ఎప్పుడున్నా చలి కాచుకోవడానికి బొగ్గు సహాయపడుతుంది. నేను చెప్పాడు యొక్క ముసలైన మీరు యొక్క బొగ్గును తీసుకెళ్ళండి, మీతో పాటు మీకు సహాయం చేస్తుందని చెప్పినప్పుడు ఇద్దరు దాన్ని అర్థం చేసుకుని ఆయన యొక్క మాట గౌరవించి ఒక బొగ్గు వాళ్ళు తీసుకుని, కానీ ఆ యొక్క రోజు రాత్రి వాళ్ళు అక్కడే విశ్రాంతి తీసుకున్నారు. When the travelers entered the valley, the clock at the neighboring monastery struck 11, and the music and singing stopped. In the moment, the little frog vanished and the hill lay quiet in the moonlight. So what happened when these travelers entered the valley? What happened? The frog nearby the monastery. Okay, monastery means it is like where the people who lives the people of bushes. Okay, monastery అంటే ఎక్కడైతే బుషులు నివసిస్తారో వాళ్ళని monastery అంటారన్నమాట. అయితే ఎప్పుడైతే ఇద్దరు ఒక వ్యాలీ అంటే వ్యాలీ అంటే ఎక్కడైతే అన్ని సౌకర్యంగా నది పక్కన ఒక నది పక్కన ఒక సరస్సు పక్కన కానీ ఒక గ్రామం ఉంటుంది, దాన్ని ఒక వ్యాలీ అంటారు. సో ఎప్పుడైతే ఒక వ్యాలీ చేరుకున్నారు అక్కడ ఏమైంది, గడియారం ఆగిపోయి ఒక టైం ఎంత అయింది, అర్ధరాత్రి 12 గంటలైంది. ఆ టైంకి ఏమైంది, వీళ్ళందరూ పాటలు పాడడము డాన్స్ చేయడం ఆపేసినాడు. అప్పుడు ఏమైంది, ఆ యొక్క హిల్ ఆ యొక్క పర్వతం ఆ యొక్క వ్యాలీ అదంతా మొత్తం ఏమైంది, చాలా ప్రశాంతంగా అయిపోయింది అనమాట, ఎటువంటి శబ్దం లేకుండా. ఓకే, then what happened, so when this okay ఎప్పుడైతే వాళ్ళు వ్యాలీ నేర్చుకున్న దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళేసరికి ఏమైపోయింది, అదంతా చాలా నిశ్శబ్దం చాలా కూలిపోయేసరికి ఓకే అదేమైంది, the two travelers found in Inna and proud themselves up to their straw beds with their coats, but in their weariness they forgot to take the coal out for their cot packs. The heavy weight on their lips made them get up early than usually. They felt in their pockets and could not believe their eyes when they saw they were filled with pure gold instead of the coals, and they were thrilled to see that the hair on their heads was black again, as thick as ever. So what happened there? What the old man told, okay, take this coal and it will help you to use, they said. So they obeyed this old man and they took that one, they took this one and they have moved to their on their journey. So in the meanwhile when they are traveling, they fell asleep and they slept in one place. In the early morning, as usually they became being carrying that one during the traveling, they felt very painful, and just they got up as usual in the early morning and they thought of checking their pockets, their bags what they brought, they have thought of checking. When they are checking, the coal okay became the gold, it became the complete coal became the gold, and they felt very shocked. And also what happened, the old man has shaved their hair no, so when the old man when he shaved the hair of these two men, there was no hair, but in the morning when they checking, the hair was grows in the color of black and it was as thick as it was before.